What going me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, I tell you the other day, say, you're not alone. Yeah, man. So I want to jump in a the You're Not Alone movement. Guys, today, I want you to listen to what this young lady have to say. This young lady need us. She's not alone. Let's show her that she's not alone. She need our help. She need it now, tomorrow, like yesterday. She need our help. Guys, just listen to what this young lady have to say. And if any of you out there is willing and can help her, let us put together, help her the best we can. The most thing she talk about and want is a job. Is a job. She didn't say she want any money. She not asking for money. She's asking for a job. When a person is asking for a job and not asking for a handout, you know that's a person who want and willing to do what they have to do to get back. And I feel it for that lady. So again, You're Not Alone movement is ready to work. The Rodney's massive, real talk massive. You know ready? Listen to this young lady. Listen to what she say. And let us work together. Let us help her. Let's put her back on the foot. You're Not Alone movement. Real talk massive. Big up on yourself. Take a listen.
Rodney,
Me
Rodney,
there, man. Me a hear you.
me call you for just tell you my experience. Put me in the background making noise.
No, man. No, man. You're clear. Me a hear you really good.
For call you, tell you my experience when me go through. Me put me in the background making noise, loud noise.
In a
Put
my
me in the back,
in a
yeah,
my
something in the background, the whistle.
hold on, let me see. Um, you still hear it now?
Me not hear it. Yes, me hear it.
I tell you the truth, I have no idea what that is at all. You hear it now?
No, I don't hear it now.
All right, go ahead.
Me call you Rodney if you tell you my experience when me go through. It's a bad experience. My family friend, a male, tell me come New York. He have a job for me and everything. And me pack up my things, put in a vehicle, give away everything. In Miami, everything me give away. And go to New York, just sexual harassment. Me asleep. One hand they grab up my breast and me sleep. They want touch me up on them something there. So Rodney, me just say call, ask you so help me give her all of my furniture. Everything what I give her pad plate, everything. Nothing me not have now. Just to go there to start life over back.
So this person, you ask this person about jobs and this person fill your head up with lies. And then
me never ask him about him. Tell me say him can get job in Bridging wife can get a job for me.
Okay.
And New York.
So you give up everything that you have
Gave up everything
in Miami and go to New York. So right now you're because you're not willing to give him any sexual favor.
No.
So you leave that house. And now you're on your way back to Florida, even though you give away your things that you have down there in Florida. So what you're good at? What is your job skill? That if in case anybody
HHA/medtech, me look about elderly people. That's what me do. That.
Okay, so you look about elderly people. So right now you really need a job that can help you to.
Badly need a job to get back. My landlord said I can't get back the apartment. You understand me? But me not have no money now. Me not have no job now. Cause me give up my job there. Me can't somebody in the space of my job. So
Okay.
me can't get back my apartment. Me not have no money now. Cause me spend all of my money what me have. Me have to drive myself back down. Right now me reach a South Carolina.
Oh, say, okay. So right now you're in South Carolina, heading back to Miami, even though you don't have no money to rent an apartment. So you're looking for a job and any kind of help. We're so I'm going to put out this video, and when I put out this, hopefully somebody will hear and at least try to help you to get a job or just help you to get somewhere that you can stay, because right now you're hurting because a family friend of yours, your family lowering you into something that is very bad, which we'll go talk about in a more longer. So guys, what I'm asking you guys to do, if you can help her in any way you can, reach out to me and I will give you the information that you guys needed to see if you can help her. And to be honest with you guys, I'm begging you guys to see how much you can help her. She really need help. So let us go and help her. To all of the Real Talk Massive, make us see if we can help her in any way we can. So what do you have to say something to them so they can hear what you have to say?
The only thing me know now is just tears.
Oh Jesus. My viewers and subscribers, she can't even explain anything to you all. So anything you guys can do for her in Florida, which area of Florida you're going?
What Lauderdale?
So anybody in Fort Lauderdale that have any help can help her. She need help. She need us. Prayers, anything you guys can give to her, help her with, because she have everything she wanted, but because this person tell her that he have something better for her, as a family friend, she pack up everything, give away everything, and now she lost everything, only because she's not going to give up any sex, because that's not what she go there for. So again, guys, make we see if we can help her in any way we can. So I go call you back, and then I get some more. So you on what you say, South Carolina or North Carolina? Show them.
South Carolina, I mean, no, I was at Virginia. I drive to South Carolina because Virginia
O-
was we have to sleep in the vehicle. You
Okay,
understand me?
okay,
It was so cool.
okay. So make we make let me get this though. Let me get this out so that mean we can get see any help you can get, a job, anything you can get, anything she can get right now. She's willing. She can't even too say much because all she know right now is just crying because she give away everything she have. Believe that things was going to be better, only to know that it gets worse. So I will call you back. So hold strong until I call you back.
All right,
All
right.
right.